the pain areas and the key points we shared with you, they are getting covered up. Yes, they are getting covered up, and in a very good way, in a way that the presentation is not going boring. I myself is kind of engaged. The important things which I am doing on my phone, I am also eager to listen to the things which has been delivering to the technicians. When I, as a training coordinator, been able to correlate with them, because I know the pain areas they go through or they create at times for the company. So the content and the mimicry, not a mimicry, what should I say this? Kalakari. Yes, story kalakari and the content we shared with you, it is in proper coherence till now.